In this video, we will talk about common monomial factoring. Alam natin na maraming estudyante ang sa topic ng factoring. Sa paraan para gawin ay ang common monomial factoring. Ito muna ang ibig sabihin ng factoring. No? Basically, kung meron tayong gustong i-factor, which is in this example, 2x plus 10, we want to express this, 2x plus 10, as a product of two or more numbers, no? Two or more quantity. Basically, maghahanap tayo ng mga numbers na quantity kasi may gagamitin tayo variable, no, para mas general yung term. Quantities na kapag pinag-multiply mo, ito ang magiging sagot. Ano natin gagawin yun? Kasi sa paraan nga ng pag-factor ang common monomial factoring at applicable lang siya na polynomials na merong common monomial factor. Common monomial factor. So, yung keyword dyan ay common. Yung factor na meron dito sa 2x at sa 10. Yun yung common monomial factor. Paano natin siya gagawin? This example's case, 2x plus 10. Ano kaya yung common na factor ng 2x at saka ng 10? Well, una-una natin i-exclude dyan ay yung x. No? Hindi na natin siya i-consider. Kasi yung 10, wala naman siyang variable x. Wala tayong magiging problema sa x. Titira pa rin siya dun sa isa sa factors. How about 2 and 10? And para mas madali ito, kailangan natin ng idea ng greatest common factor, no? O yung CF. Basically, we need to express two numbers as their prime factors. Nakamalaki doon, kaya siya greatest, yun yung kinoconsider natin. So, kailangan ko muna itong i-rewrite. Alam ko na gusto ko siyang i-express as product of two. Meron akong imply, sabihin mag-include ako ng parenthesis. Yan. Ang tanong na lang, ano yung nandito sa kabilang side? Well, I can put another parenthesis here, pero baka kasi isang term lang yan, so magiging useless parenthesis. Isang parenthesis muna ilalagay na. Kagaya na sabi ko kanina, hindi na natin ilalabas yung x kasi wala namang x yung isang term, so matitira siya sa loob ng parenthesis. Problema ko na lang, ano yung nasa labas, ano yung nasa loob. Yung susulat mo sa labas ng parenthesis, yun yung common monomial factor. And oftentimes, you're looking for the greatest common monomial factor para hindi mo na ulit-ulitin yung process. So, ano yung greatest common factor ng 2 at 10? Natin na yun ay 2. Yan. So, pag gumamit ka ng factor 3, dito wala ka nang magagawa dyan kasi prime number na yan. So, times 1 lang ang ginamit, kaya nagkaroon ng 2. Pero si 10, yan ay 2 and 5. No? Parehas sila 2 at yun yung pinakamalaking factor na meron sila. Yun yung GCF nila. Kaya ako siya nilagay sa labas kasi pansinin. Pag nahanap mo yung greatest common monomial factor mo, kailangan mo siyang i-divide dun sa lahat ng terms. Basically, we need to divide 2x here by 2, and then divide 10 by 2. Right? Kasi yun yung ilalagay ko dito sa loob ng parenthesis. Sila yung other factors. 2x divided by 2 is just x. Kaya x na lang yung nandito sa loob. How about this one? 10 divided by 2. Know that merong 5 na 2 sa loob ni 10. So, 5 ang ilalagay ko dito. At positive siya kasi positive 2 yung ginamit natin. Ang greatest common factor. Positive 10 divided by positive 2 is positive 5. Now, this is our final. In a factored form, 2x plus 10. Malalaman mong tama ka kasi pag minultiply mo pabalik yan, makuha mo ulit to. So, 2 times x is 2. 5 is 10. That's one way to check that. Let's have another example. You're asked to factor negative 8m minus 12. Same idea. Kailangan natin siyang i-express as a product of quantity. Ako ng parenthesis. Alam ko na may ilalagay ako sa labas at meron ding ilalagay. Ilalagay ko sa labas yung greatest common factor nitong dalawang terms na ito. Alam ko na hindi nakasama yung m doon kasi walang m itong isa. How about negative 8 and negative? Now, kanina ang sabi ko, kailangan greatest common factor yung kinukuha mo. Bakit? Kasi pansinin that I can pull out negative 2. Kaya lang pag dinivide ko ito by negative 2, parehas. Divide ko sila parehas by negative 2. Makikita natin dito. So, positive 4m at positive 6. Pansinin na yung 4n plus 6, factorable ulit. No? So, kung hindi greatest common monomial factor yung makukuha mo, uulit ka ng process. I-simplify ka ulit. Magpa-factor ka ulit. Mahalaga na greatest common monomial factor na yung makukuha mo agad-agad. So, kung hindi siya negative 2, ano kaya yung mas... Again, you can factor. You can use the factor 3. Negative 8 can be expressed as 2 and 4. Dahil negative yan, dapat isa dito negative. So, either yung negative 2 ang negative or yung 4 ang negative. Then, yung 4 naman, pwede mong express as times 2. And then, itong 100. Itong 12 naman, negative 12. Pwede natin i-express as negative 2. 6. 6 pwedeng maging 3. Pwede rin siyang 4 and 3. Tapos yung 4 i-breakdown mo sa times 2. No, lalabas pa rin itong 3 saka dalawang 2. Now, pansinin na parehas silang may negative 2. Tapos parehas pang may positive 2 dyan. Ginagawa natin doon, di ba, minimultiply natin yung common factors. Tapos yung magiging product, yun yung greatest common factor. So, negative 2 multiplied by positive 2, negative 4. This is our GCF. That's how you find the greatest common factor. Kung may mahina yung foundation mo dito, meron tayong separate video about this. Negative 4 yung dapat kong ilagay dito. Then, divide ko all of the terms by the greatest common factor. Greatest common monomial factor. The polynomials yung ating nahanapan ng factors. Now, negative 8m divided by negative 4 is a positive number kasi parehas yan eh. Positive m. Then again, negative number divided by negative number, positive yun. 12 divided by 4 is, this is now our final answer. Negative 4. Same thing, if you want to check, you can just multiply. Tapos makuha mo ulit ito. Sabihin, tama ka ng nakuhang factor. Let's have another example. Last example natin para sa video. 3x cubed minus 12x squared 9x. We're asked to factor. Same idea. Nadagdagan lang yung number ng terms pero maghahanap pa rin ako ng greatest common monomial factor. So, i-express ko ulit yan. Like this. Number akong ilalabas. Greatest common monomial factor. Tapos merong matitira sa loob. Now, since tatlong terms yan, tatlong terms din yung matitira dito. Let's start with the coefficients. Numerical coefficient. Lahat sila may variable x eh. So, mamaya na natin problemahin yun. Dito muna tayo sa mga numbers. Numerical coefficients. We have 3, we have negative 12, and negative 9. Ano yung greatest common factor ng 3, negative 12, saka negative 9? Again, you can use the factor 3. Or siguro naman, makuha mo na ito mentally, no? Kasi alam natin na lahat ito ay multiples ng 3. Sabihin, si 3 ang greatest common factor. Bakit positive? Kasi hindi pwedeng negative. Notice na itong isa hindi na negative 3. I can just pull out the positive counterpart, tapos yung mga nasa loob ng term na lang yung magiging minus negative na term, no? Divide ko muna by 3 lahat yan. Bago natin problemahin yung x. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So, ibig sabihin, yung unang term mo dito ay 1 lang yung coefficient. And dito, we have negative 12 divided by 3. That's negative 4. And negative 9 divided by 3. Yan. Nilagyan ko ng spaces kasi alam natin may isusulat pa tayong variables. Hindi lang tayo sa constants o sa numerical coefficient may greatest common factor. Maging sa mga variables. Pansinin, lahat ito ay may x. Diba? So, this is x cubed. Ibig sabihin, x times x times x. This is x squared. Ibig sabihin, x times x. At ito naman ay x raised to 1. Pansinin na lahat sila merong at least isang x. And that is our greatest common monomial factor. Yun yung ilalagay mo kasama nung pinakamalaking numerical coefficient. Greatest common factor nung mga numerical coefficient. Kapag tinanong ano yung greatest common monomial factor nitong 3x squared minus 12x squared minus 9x, it's simply 3x. Kaya nating i-pull out yung 3x sa lahat ng terms na to. Right? Isa pang trick para malaman yung greatest common monomial factor ng mga variables. Kung magkakamukha sila, you can simply pull out the 1 with the lowest exponent. No? So, in this example's case, yung 1 yung pinakamababang exponent. Yun na yung agad-agad na greatest common monomial factor ng x cubed, x squared, tsaka x raised to 1. I can pull out x squared from x cubed. Kaso hindi ko kayang gawin yun kay x raised to 1. No? Pinakamababa na yung concept. Kasi may makukuha kang x raised to 1 kay x squared, may makukuha ka ring x raised to 1 kay x cubed. Pag sinabi kong may makukuha, ibig sabihin may ma-divide ka. No? Alam na natin yung quotient nitong 3 divided by 3. Alam natin na 1. Negative 12 divided by 3 is 4. Negative 9 divided by 3 negative 3. How about the variables? Now we have x cubed divided by x. The laws of exponent, particularly the quotient rule. Pag parehas yung bases, you just copy that. Then you subtract the exponent. No? Kapag nagdi-divide ka ng common base. So, 3 minus 1 is just 2. Ibig sabihin x squared yun. Then this one, common base ulit. So, copyain mo lang. Pero anong exponent nila? 2 minus 1 is 1. You don't need to write that here. Then finally, itong x raised to 1 divided by itself. Anything divided by itself is just 1. So, wala nang matitira doon. Pwede mo nilang i-cancel yun. Or, like, you can also use the same way of thinking na ginamit natin dito. Common base, so isulat mo yun. Kaya lang, 1 minus 1 is 0. No? So, anything raised to 0 is just 1. 1 times negative 3 is just negative 3. So, you don't need to write x raised to 0. Sabihin, ito lang yung ating final answer. X multiplied by x squared minus 4x minus, if you want, you can again multiply, distribute mo, para ma-check kung tama tayo. 3x times x squared, that's 3x cubed. Parehas yung base, so you add the exponent. Pag nagmo-multiply, no? Pag nagdi-divide, so subtract mo yung exponent ng common base. Then 3x times negative 4x is negative 12x squared. Finally, negative 3x times negative 3. So, tama tayo. Now it's your turn. You do this, hanapin lang yung factors kung given natin. Let me know in the comments kung ano mo sagot o kung may bahagi ng video na to na hindi mo maan. Thank you so much for watching this video.